All right, so I want to walk you through a very simple pre-qualification and also personalization workflow that's giving us 40% positive reply rate. So as you can see here, we're getting, almost 40% positive reply rate, which means that if we receive 10 responses, 4 of these are positive, or people, prospects, qualified prospects saying that they are interested in our clients' services. And so I want to record this quick video and show you this very simple personalization workflow that you can use for pretty much almost any offer that can be personalized or can deliver a personalized service for a client. So let me explain to you. So if you are selling something to companies and it is some sort of service that relates to their prospects, or you maybe, for example, any offer that's related to making more sales, you can say that you can help those companies bring in more customers. And in the email, you can say that you can help those companies bring in more of their specific customers, of their specific ideal customers, right? And so if you have any offer that can be personalized that way, then this personalization workflow will probably help you get more replies, get more positive responses, and get more leads and more meetings booked. So by the way, this software is people.ai, which is the best sending platform for cold email that I've ever used. And so if you guys are not on it already, I'll leave the link in the description below so you can just try it out. And this is Clay. Clay is, if you're in outbound sales, is one of the key tools that we are using to run outbound campaigns for clients. And so if you're not using Clay, you should definitely check that out. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can get 3,000 leads or credits for free using that link. But let me show you what this workflow looks like, right? So we are reaching out to SaaS companies. And so for context, the client is a personalized demo platform. So they essentially create personalized demos for SaaS companies to help them close more customers, get more customers, and send those demos through cold outreach. So this workflow, first of all, we are reaching out to SaaS companies. And so first thing first, we are determining whether these companies are actual SaaS companies. And so there is a pre-qualification column where we are actually looking at the company description and also looking at the company website and trying to assess whether they are a SaaS company or not. And that was done in another table that is not in here, but another pre-qualification column that is done in here, another pre-qualification step that is done in this table is the demo availability here, right? So specifically, we are going to reach out to those SaaS companies that, of course, can offer demos of their product. Otherwise, it wouldn't make sense to give them this type of offer. And so what we are doing here is we're using an AI agent, which is Clay's AI agent, which is called Clayagent, to go to the company's website and determine whether the company offers demos, essentially, right? So that way we know that these companies are 100% qualified because they're both SaaS companies and also offer demos on their website. So that being said, here, what we're doing is we're simply getting the description of these companies. And then based on that, there is the personalization here. So the personalization is essentially just mentioning their ICP, their ideal customer profile. And it is very simple, but it works pretty well. So essentially what we're basically saying here in the emails is like, we can help you bring in more, and then we say the ICP, their ideal customer profile, by using personalized demos to your prospects that are based on their LinkedIn profile and website and so on and so forth, right? So what the emails would look like here, for example, is for this company right here, we could say, we can help you bring in more banking companies looking for AI-powered sales solutions by doing X, Y, and Z. And so even just this small personalization step, it's very simple. It's very easy to do as well. With this AI agent, again, we're using Clayagent in here to go to the company's website and analyze the company's description that we have here and determine the ideal customer profile of the company. With this very simple personalization step, we managed to go from 15% positive reply rate. So out of 100 responses, we'll get 15 positive to over actually almost 40% positive reply rate. As you can see here, So over 100 replies, we will get 40 positive responses. So very simple, but quite effective. And so we're also doing here as an additional step is we are getting the actual, so here we're getting the ICP, the ideal customer profile, plus what they're looking for if they were to engage with the company's services. So the company that we are reaching out to, their services, right? So for example, banking companies looking for AI-powered sales solutions. Of course, the company that we are reaching out to for this row, this lead, is probably offering AI-powered sales solutions, right? Same thing, for example, here, right? Technology organizations looking for software development and consulting services. This company right here is offering software development and consulting services, and their ideal customer profile is technology organizations. And so another custom field that we're using or another variable that we are using in this campaign is the raw ICP, right? So only the type of the companies that they are reaching out to with their cold outreach, and that are their customers, their ideal customer profile. So what you see here in subject, because we're using this variable in the subject line, but also in part of the email body, is essentially just their ideal customer profile. So whether, for example, technology organizations, founder-led startups, scale-ups, corporations, hotel brands and management companies, and so on and so forth. So pretty simple, but highly effective. So I hope this video was valuable, was useful. If you're looking for someone to automate your entire cold outreach prospecting process and manage the entire thing for you, there's a link in the description below. You can book a call with me and we can talk about your outreach strategy and see how we can help. That being said, I hope to see you in the next video. Cheers.